is all about force of magnet, our lesson. Have you ever noticed what happened here? What happened? I know, you're right. So that's what you call magnets. As you may see, there is he or she played magnet. Okay, as you may see, it's moving by two poles. Okay, you're correct. Okay, so our lesson for today is all about magnets. Magnets. What's magnet? So how do it move? So magnetism. So magnetism, it is the first of magnets. So now we know that how the magnets moving, okay, means rolling, and sometimes even floating. So it is because of magnetism. So what is magnet? So magnet is a rock or a piece of metal that can pull certain types of metal toward itself. Okay, magnetite. So what is magnetite? It was first observed in form of iron ore. And next is lodestone. What is lodestone? Lodestone is natural occurring magnet. Okay, so it's therefore magnet is made of the rock, so the rock so-called lodestone. Okay, so next. So what is alnico? Alnico is an example of a ferromagnetic material. Later, I will talking about all about ferromagnetic material. So by the way, alnico is alloy of iron with aluminum, nickel, and cobalt. This is the some of the suited can be moved by magnet. Okay. So here, ferromagnetic material. So what is ferromagnetic material? So this is a certain group of substances that tend to manifest or display strong magnetism in direction of the field due to the application of magnetic field or by the use of the magnet. In short, the one of example is alnico or iron or in Tagalog bakal. Okay? So how do we know what do you call that type phenomena? So that is ferromagnetism. So it is all a form of magnetism that is strong enough to be felt by. For as you may see, if there is a magnet and there is an iron, if you connect the two, it will connect. And then as you may see, uh, when you're removing the magnet, okay, on that iron, therefore as you may felt the magnetism coming from the magnet and its iron. So that is, as you may see, as you may read, is it strong enough to be felt by people. Okay. Next, what is magnetic field? So magnetic field, this is the area where an object exhibits a magnetic influence. So each magnet forms a magnetic field pattern. As you may see, one of example of Earth. Earth. Earth has a magnetic field, but we cannot see it even our naked eye. Okay? So as you assume that North Pole and South Pole is just a land that is full of ice, but no, there is a magnetic magnetic pole which is pulling us so that we can walk, we can run, or something we can crawl. It is because of the magnetic field, as you may see. So they are pulling us so that we can do our daily chores. So what is pulse of magnet? As we can see, there is a SNN, SNN, and SNN. So magnetic poles are the points where the magnetic field lines begin and end. Field lines come together at the pole. So I will explain this. So as you may see, this is S and N and S and N. If they are opposite, north to south pole, therefore it will attract or it will connect. But if they are the same pole, like north and north, they will repel or they will not connect. As to south, it will repel. In short, they will not connect. So that is attract and repel. So repel or repulsion means when two magnet objects have like poles, like north and north, facing each other, the magnetic force push them apart or it will not connect. Two north poles or two south poles together repel or push away each other. What about attract? Attract when two magnet objects have like have doesn't like poles facing each other, it will attract. Okay? So it brought that together, the poles attract each other and the magnets snap together. So it will combine. Okay? So always remember that magnets is a rock of piece of metal that can pull certain types of metal towards itself. Ferromagnetism is the only form of magnetism that is strong enough to be felt by people. For that, thank you and have a nice day.